The idea that we may be living in a simulation, rather than in a physical reality, has been a topic of philosophical and scientific debate for decades. The simulation hypothesis proposes that our reality is actually a computer-generated simulation, created by a more advanced civilization with technology far beyond our own. This hypothesis is based on the idea that as technology advances, it becomes more likely that a civilization could create a simulated reality that is indistinguishable from physical reality. The simulation could be so advanced that the inhabitants of the simulated reality would not be aware that they were living in a simulation. While there is no direct evidence to support the simulation hypothesis, some argue that certain aspects of our reality may be evidence of a simulation. For example, some physicists have proposed that the universe may be a holographic projection or that the laws of physics are a computer code. However, the majority of scientists and philosophers consider the simulation hypothesis to be unlikely, citing the lack of evidence and the many assumptions required to support the hypothesis. They argue that even if we were living in a simulation, it would still be our reality, and therefore, the concept of a physical reality would still be relevant. Regardless of whether or not we are living in a simulation, the idea has sparked a number of philosophical and ethical questions about the nature of reality, the limits of knowledge, and the potential consequences of advanced technology. Some argue that if we are living in a simulation, it could have implications for our understanding of morality and the meaning of life, while others believe that the idea is purely speculative and has little practical significance.